Hi, welcome. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you who always tune back to watch my program. May God Almighty bless you. You are free to leave your comment constructively. Like you know, I present to you information across the globe, especially Nigeria to be precise. And today, I present to you another exciting video which we are going to watch together. Now let's watch this video together, then come to my comment section and tell me what you think about the video. You are free to criticize, but constructively, as we watch the video together.
I want to speak to these categories of people that I want to mention now. And if you know you are among this set of people, please spare me your 1 minute. Listen to me carefully. With your heart, open your heart. Let us have a heart-to-heart talk. This is very, very serious. If you are in this category of people who still believe in one Nigeria, or who still believe that Nigeria will be great again, or people who believes and wants, who is waiting and expecting celebrities with names, celebrities to start chanting support Biafra or support Oduduwa Republic. If you are in that category, and if you are in the category of believing that southern leaders and eastern leaders and governors and reps are going to come out publicly and start supporting the division of Nigeria, or supporting Biafra or Oduduwa Republic. If you are in this category, I want to tell you, you better wake up from your sleep. Do you know that people who have gained freedom, the first set of people who have gained freedom, are the elites, the rich in Nigeria, the politicians? All their generations have gained this particular freedom from Nigeria, and they are not among people who will come out to speak. In case you don't understand what I am saying, do you know that now no celebrity, I mean celebrity that has cash, allows their wives or allow themselves, if they are women, to give birth in Nigeria? Are you not aware that most celebrities, most elites, most politicians, almost all that has money, when it is time for their wives or themselves, when they are pregnant, to give birth, they travel outside the country to give birth? Is either they go to UK to give birth, or they go to America to give birth. Do you know why? It's not as if Nigeria don't have a good hospital that they can use all this money of traveling, flying, accommodating in Europe and America. They can use that same money, even half of it. We have standard private hospitals that even if it is white people, white doctors that they are looking for, they have white doctors in Nigeria. But do you know why they travel abroad to give birth? Because they want freedom for their children. They have made sure that their next generation, which is their children that they are giving birth to, do not identify, is not identified as a Nigerian by birth. They have removed their roots. That I will not give birth to Nigeria because they don't believe in Nigeria, and they know, even including the president. Most of all these, apart from people who go outside Nigeria to give birth, most any elite, any politician, that anybody that has money now, they send their children abroad to study. Not because we don't have universities or they don't have, we have private universities. You can live a large life in Nigeria if you have the money. But why do you think they choose to send their children? Because even if they were not rich 20 years ago, and they are rich now, they still want to secure the future of their generation, which is sending them abroad, going to for study. From study, they get their residence permit. From there, they become a citizen. In short time. I am trying to tell you the truth about why you see most leaders are quiet about all this. You are there waiting for celebrity to come and support you and start shouting, "We want Oduduwa Republic, we want Biafra." You will be consumed there. You will be waiting for Nigeria to be good again. Why those who have given birth to their children outside and their children have this is just a fight against the poor. But sometimes I just feel, even if most people are not that rich, especially those who come online to chant and say rubbish, Nigeria will be great again. We believe in Nigeria because one political leader have told you that if I enter something like this, I will change the whole thing. It is the youth that will... All these things are bullshit. People are trying daily are securing the life of their next generation, giving them freedom. They are giving birth. Go to America. Nigeria has the highest, that is foreigner who just came to give birth. They're not residing in America. They're not residing in UK. Most just came to give birth. Why do you think they do that? We don't have midwives in Nigeria, or we don't have big hospitals. They are big hospitals, private hospitals. But these people just within their hearts, cross their hearts, that my children can never, my next generation can never be identified by birth as a Nigerian. So they've secured the freedom of their children. If you are there talking against Oduduwa Republic or Biafra, Biafra, you are just doing yourself. And if you are waiting for one political leader to stand up, it only takes the one that have a good heart, those who really care for the people, those who really want to volunteer to fight for it's not for themselves, because they have already secured the life of their children and their generation. They are trying to fight for the poor. Do you think that the killings in the eastern side and the southern Nigeria, do you think all those farmlands where these Fulani have been raping, and do you see any governor's child being raped? Even if they don't study abroad, even if they are in Nigeria, the kind of security that protects their generation, nothing can harm them. And if you are seeking and getting the advice, and all these especially Eastern leaders petting you, you have to go to the right channel. They are just making you stay constantly stagnant, so that their generations will still come and rule over you and your generation in Nigeria. It is not only when you have eyes and see cars passing by and you don't cross, that is when you have a good sight. If your mind is blind, your spirituality is blind. There are some things you have to see even before time. Everybody is chanting youth of there. When the youth comes out, they will shout. Everybody is coming on social media. Some will just give them mic. They will speak English from here to there. They have no plans for themselves. You are waiting for one celebrity who has secured the life of his children or her children. That is their generation. Because this fight for Biafra restoration and Oduduwa Republic is not for people around now, because this is for people who cannot speak for themselves, Those who are fighting for Biafra are fighting for the next generation, not to experience this particular, I don't know what I will classify Nigeria as. Every other person has secured freedom by sending their children to a safe place, sending their children to a better environment, sending their children where they know that they wish they have the opportunity to be indigenous of that place. And you that you don't even, your mother is in the village farming, your father is, I don't even know, you don't even have plan for yourself. You are still the one coming online and shouting. Are you guys so insane? Are you that dumb? People will just come. We don't have any other place to call our own. Nigeria is our own. And I'll see youth, how foolish so many youths are. I am not even blaming celebrities. I'm just telling you the reasons why most celebrities are quiet and most governors are quiet over and rulers and leaders are quiet. Oga, they don't send you. Their children's future is secured. If you like, go and kill yourself. They don't even care about their own lives. The generation that your own generation that you are supposed to fight for, they have given their own generation freedom so that those generations will come rule over your children. Your generations again. If they give every Nigerian opportunity to be a citizen of any other country in America or in Europe, nobody, I tell you, will remain in Nigeria. Why are we so full of hypocritical? I don't know what we are so hypocrites. You are waiting for people to rise up for you. The celebrities are supposed to. What are they supposed to? Look at the end of NSAS. Celebrity tried everything they could. They tried, they organized, they spent money. But what? Tell me how it ended up. They killed people. Nigeria government killed people. Nigeria soldiers killed people. Until date, till now, nothing has been done about it. The second NSAS protest in Lagos, they are not up to 50 that came out. In 200 million people. And you think people will be that bold to come out and face whatever again in Nigeria where the citizen has no rights to speak, where the citizen has no rights of freedom of speech, movement, or choice. The government dictates your life. Those who have money are getting freedom for their children, and you are still there. The youth will do well. All the youths that you are saying you are hoping to do well, they have their children. They have secured their children's future. They have secured that freedom for their children. And their children, even if they fail as a father and a mother in Nigeria, their children will still come back and rule over yours. Sometimes I look at the level of the stupidity youths, especially those who feel they are so educated, they come online, go to radio stations, TV stations to speak rubbish, blow big grammar with empty score. English no dey help for Nigeria. Secure your life, secure your future. Join this fight. Let there be freedom. We want Biafra. Because we want every life in our land to be secured. We want to speak for those who doesn't have children to speak for them. We want to speak for those who doesn't have husbands or wives to speak for them. We want to speak for those who cannot speak for themselves. In a country where even those who are not disabled are turned useless. Do anybody care about those that are disabled? What help is the government giving to disabled people? A country that even if you have to remove it from your DNA, that it is possible. You wish it was a dream of being in Nigeria. And some youth will come. We cannot be Oduduwa Republic. I am against Biafra restoration. We are Nigeria. Nigeria will be great. Which great? Who is a Nigerian? Are you going to force people to be a nation they choose not to be? You don't have freedom of speech. You don't have freedom of movement. You don't have freedom of choice. And you don't even have freedom to live. Being alive in Nigeria is by the choice of the government. If the government wants you dead today, you are gone. Is that a country you want our generation to identify themselves with? And some of all these foolish youths who just sit down and speak rubbish English. Everything you do online, you want to be popular, you want to embrace, we are against this thing, we cannot be, we are Nigerians, we don't have any other place to call your home. How is Nigeria your home when you are not even secured, when you cannot sleep at night, when you cannot, when if they give, America give 6 million people opportunity to just to be an American, I tell you, Nigerians will kill themselves just to become an American citizen. And you come and deceive yourself saying rubbish. It's better you wake up. Those who are able to speak, those who are in power, who are speaking for the restoration of Biafra and for the Oduduwa, they really love the people. Because even if they don't speak, it doesn't affect them. Those who are in the front line to bring Oduduwa Republic and Biafra, they really have the interest of the people at heart. And some brainless youths will just come out and start ranting. You want one Nigeria. One Nigeria boom. Crazy set of people.
Deep in the shadow.
Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal. My name is Linda Chukwueze. It comment button that says subscribe and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.